Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a public profile on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your Snapchat and tap on your profile photo to the top left corner of the screen. And as you can see, here is no option to make a public profile, so all you have to need just tap on the settings icon to the upper right hand corner of the screen and scroll down, and inside of this privacy control section you will need to make these three options everyone. So tap contact me and select everyone, send me notification, select everyone, and sim in quick add, check this option, and also tap on famous story and select everyone, and then reload your profile and scroll down, and here you will get the create public profile option. Now tap on that, tap on continue, get started, create. So here you can see I've successfully created a public profile, and tap on the profile to edit your profile. You can add your location, bio, and you can enable show subscriber count. Also you can add a profile picture to your public profile. So that's how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.